Hello and welcome back to the channel. Are you interested in training AI? Then Telus International is currently recruiting AI trainers from all over the world. I've shared Telus International on this channel a lot of times, but I think some of you are not really interested in clicking the links in the description and visiting the website. You just conclude on your own that it doesn't work. But I'm here to break it to you that Telus International is currently recruiting AI trainers from all over the world. Okay, when you visit their website, you see jobs that are for specific countries and the ones that are global. So I've taken my time to select a lot of them, more than 10 of them right now for you guys, which I'm going to be showing you right now. All you have to do is to make sure you have a CV or cover letter, depending on the requirements of that particular position you're going for. Yes. So if you're interested in working remotely from anywhere in the world, from Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, US, UK, Canada, then you want to go over to telusinternational.ai right now, because they have multiple opportunities for you right now. Without wasting much time, I'm going to take you straight to their website to show you. I'll leave a few links in the description. All I need you to do is to go to the description of the video, click on the link, visit the website and apply. Instead of sitting and complaining it's not available in Nigeria, people are still working remotely. People are landing these jobs, both Outlier AI, Telus International, different AI training platforms, Minddrift AI. People are landing jobs from Africa. But you guys are on this channel sitting and expecting it to fall from above. It is you that will get this job for yourself. Anyway, you see that I'm not really happy. Another thing I want to point out is that a good number of you watch my videos without liking or commenting. You're not even subscribed. It's not fair. It's not fair. At least commend me for recording this video and sharing it with you, if not for anything. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe to the channel if you're just joining me for the first time. So let's go there. This one is called Voice and Speech AI Experts AI Community English Global. So anyone you see with English Global, you know that yes, you can actually apply for that one. Okay. It says, at Telus Digital, we are teaching AI to listen and speak with human-like precision. As a voice and speech AI specialist in our AI community, you are at the forefront of audio machine learning. We look to our community to help us refine speech recognition and text-to-speech systems. You will analyze the rhythm, intonation, and phonetic nuances of your native language to ensure that AI voices sound natural. So this job started on 13th of March. Okay, if you check it here, you see where it says start date, not end date. So when you come here, and I know you're going to say to yourself, this job is ended. No, it started on the 13th of March 2026, but it is still ongoing. Most of the times when you come to this platform, Telus International, you will not find any current job. You will not find any current job. Some jobs you will see there, their start date is from 2025, 2024, but they have mass openings. They have multiple positions for you right now. So this one, preferred availability is 4 to 40 hours per week. Compensation is $18 to $35 per hour. This is the contract email here for telusinternational.com. So what does it say? Look at the qualification path. Okay, these are the mandatory qualifications. Minimum of a bachelor's degree, specifically in phonetics, speech language pathology, audio engineering or musicology, native language, native level proficiency C2 plus in your primary language is mandatory. English proficiency minimum B1. Assessment: in order to be hired into our community, you will go through a subject specific qualification exam that will determine your suitability for the position and complete ID verification. Currently, pay rates for experts range from 18 to 35 USD per hour. Our payment terms are defined for each project. Why join the Telus Digital AI community? Work remotely as part of a 1 million plus diverse global AI community of contributors. Impactful expertise, hands-on innovation, global collaboration, 500 plus languages and dialects, flexible engagement. They are equal opportunity employers. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for a contractual relationship without regard to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, disability, or protected veteran. Because I cannot go through all the jobs, but I'll show you guys a little bit of them. Let me show you frequent asked questions. The steps for Telus International application. Very important. Okay, first you need to complete the application form by entering your accurate details, then complete the internal exam, followed by reviewing and signing the terms and conditions. Once you have finished these steps, make sure you upload your CV and the degree or certificate for your highest completed level of education. What happens after you complete the internal exam? Congratulations on completing the internal exam. If you pass, your application will move to the first stage of the review process. What's next in your application stage? If this is your first time applying to Telus Digital, you will receive an email requesting ID verification. Please complete this step promptly as it is required to proceed with your application. What does in review mean on your profile? If your application is still in review, so if you have applied in the past and your application is still in review, it means that you haven't completed the ID verification. You will be contacted with a reminder to complete it. Additionally, make sure that your CV and all educational information are uploaded to your profile. What does selected mean on your profile? Congratulations, you have been selected to join them, okay, as a freelancer. Based on your qualifications and domain expertise, here's what to expect. Their recruitment team may contact you with surveys for specific projects, both internal and client-based. These surveys often have short response windows, so it's important to respond quickly. Prompt responses will ensure you receive detailed project information. So let me talk to you guys about the pay. The pay depends on the project, right? So first of all, you click on this login to apply, which will take you here. It says from now on, you can log in or create an account using Google or email OTP faster and more secure access. So you're going to create your account using Google or email. That's how you start this application first. This one is another job. It's Parent Safety Contributor Project Teens Online, and it is remote. It started on 30th January 2026 and it is still ongoing. Preferred availability is minimum 1 hours one time. Pay is 20 USD per unit. Okay. What you will do is to complete a 30-minute online task from home. Confirm your teen's email and age for safe online access. But you must be a resident of the European Union, United Kingdom, United States, Brazil, Australia, and Canada. You see how it's clearly stated where you must be to access this particular opportunity. Because of where I am, I can easily access anyone, all right? But if you're in Africa, you cannot apply for this one. So you go for the ones that says global. So the first one I showed, I'll leave the link in the description. Of course, you can apply for that one. This is another one, AI Data Notator Expert AI Community, started on the 13th of March 2026. Paying $10 to $20 per hour. Check them out as well. Key responsibilities: image labeling, text categorizing, data cleaning, simple comparisons. So if you're looking for an easy way to get started in the world of artificial intelligence at Telus Digital, they are looking for AI data annotators to join their global community. You don't need a technical degree or a previous experience in AI to study here. Your job is to help AI see and understand the world by labeling images, text, and videos. You are the teacher providing basic lessons that make AI smart. You see, when you go through it, you see that they did not mention a particular location for this, which means you can apply for this one from wherever you are. Okay, so I think the problem you guys have is that you don't have the time to do your research before commenting on videos by saying they don't accept Nigerians, they don't do this, Nigerians. Although I have people from other countries on my channel, but Nigerians are always giving me headache, right? So what you do is to visit the description of this video and check the links that I'm going to drop. See if it's opening in your location. There's no harm in trying. But these ones without any specific locations mentioned here means that you can actually apply for them from wherever you are. Alright, if they don't want you to apply for it, they will say we want people from UK, Canada. This one is another one. Creative writing and content expert AI community. You see, paying $10 to $35 per hour. and there's no place he mentioned a particular country. You can also apply for this one. This one again is AI content labeler expert. They did not mention a particular country, which means you can also apply. You know that this channel was suspended for 2 weeks. So when I came back, I uploaded a video up there. Check it out. And I shared Telus Digital. But a lot of you were like, no, he's not accepting Nigerians, that they don't have any job and all of that. I sat down and then I started researching. I started finding these jobs myself. I even left the direct link to these opportunities in the description, yet you couldn't find them. So I went to do it myself, and then I dug out a good number of remote jobs you can do from Nigeria from this platform. So anyone that does not mention a specific country means you can apply. It says they will require your ID for verification. Yes. You don't need to use a VPN. You don't need to change your location. Use your country. This one started on 13th of March as well. For multi-module AI content experts, they're paying $10 to $20 per hour, and preferred availability is 4 to 40 hours per week. I need to dig out these opportunities and share with you guys, since you seem not to see them. And look at, I saw a lot of them. So let me know in the comment. This one is philosophy and logic expert. You see, they're still hiring. This one is paying 80 to 50 USD per hour. So drop your comments. Let me know which one you're interested in. This one is financial accuracy and tax logic expert, paying 20 to 50 USD. All right. So let me know the one you want. I'll drop them for you in the comment or description. Again, use your country wherever you are, so that it will be easy for you to verify your ID. Because why do you guys keep telling me it will ask for ID verification? Of course, you need to verify. You're working for a company. You need to verify your ID. So make sure you're using your right location for these ones. These ones are sensitive. These things are not survey platforms. These are real companies hiring real humans to work remotely. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching to this very moment. Please like this video, comment and share, and let me know your thoughts in the comments if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to do your own due diligence before applying to any job out there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.